Ah, caught me at it. Welcome to Grandpa's Alcoholic Cozy Corner. Well, it is after 3 o'clock. Medicinal. Well, I have another little poem, which I wrote, maybe 4 years ago now, when I was a young man. Yeah. Now, 4 years ago, in fact, I was still an old man. But anyway, it's about a little bird. And it's from the viewpoint of a child who found it on his way to school. It's called The Hummingbird. And this is how it goes. On my way to school the other day, I found a little creature. I put it in a paper bag and showed it to my teacher. She said it was a hummingbird, and it was such a pretty little thing, I thought I would take it home and teach it how to sing. I put it in a little cage, and it sat there looking glum. I whistled and sang a few simple tunes, but it wouldn't even hum. I tried and tried to make it sing, even just a single little note, but not a sound of any kind came from its lovely purple throat. It looked so sad just sitting there that a tear formed in my eye. So I thought that I would set it free, because all birds love to fly. It hovered for a little while, and at last a sound I heard. It came from its wings, and now I know why it's called a hummingbird. Yeah. So you see, hummingbirds do hum, but not like you would imagine. Well, if you enjoyed that, good. If you didn't enjoy it, well, hard lines. See you next week. It might be 2 weeks. My cameraman is going skiing. While I stop at home and look after aging dogs and cats and fish. Oh well, at least I've got my bottle of whiskey to keep me company. Goodbye for now.